All right, let's take a look at this one, which is Windows command injection, something you might not see so often. And hopefully you know your DOS commands. If not, you can practice. They're like command line Linux, but they make the commands somewhat different, making a directory and so on. All right. And so here is a page which does it lets you do a directory on the server. So it's going to do the dir and then inject code from the user. So it's going to, again, have command injection. So if I put in dot, it's going to give me the current directory, which is cxamp hdocs. It's running the xamp web server is what you're using. And so it shows you the files in there. And you can see an awful lot of strange files because my students have, of course, been hacking the server, injecting all sorts of junk on it. And you can add more commands with an ampersand. So if you put in dot and who am I, it'll do the directory of dot. Here's the command, directory of dot and who am I. And who am I? You are the administrator, which is why this server gets trashed a lot. The Linux box, you were not the administrator, but on this Windows box, you can inject commands and you're injecting them as administrator. So here's how you can write to a file. If I do this one, and I'm going to modify it a bit because I think I might be able to overwrite files. We'll just try it this way. This will put hello underscore WAST in there. Let's see if that works. To uploads hello. Show contents. Okay. And now it runs, and I don't have any reply from that echo command, but it should have written into a file, and let's see if it did. And it did, hello WAST. So you can now pump data off the server. If you can't echo the response here, you can put it in a file and show it on a server. So, you see, you can deface the server by adding extra files to it. You can exfiltrate data. And again, there are some flags to find. So there's various flags hidden on the server where you have some information about them. And you can use Windows commands, command line commands, instead of Linux commands to find them.